Hi everyone, today Tuesday. I pick up Georgi and we go to Landers and we will buy meat and barbecue. We can make barbecue in our terrace because today good weather. Before big rain, before it's heavy rain, and in the road you can see so many water. But I hope don't have rain again. So we will try to do barbecue in our place, in our home. Shaira now in the work, but she will come back from the work maybe already now. She come back from the work. So we go to Landers, we drive through Walking Street, and you can see Walking Street because Georgi today not filming in Walking Street because you know we're going to Movalakat now. Yes, Georgi. Georgi have helmet.
Yes.
This helmet, when I bought this motor, they give me this helmet for 500 peso only. Two helmet for 1000. One for Shaira, but for Shaira is big. That's why I use this helmet for guest. So Georgi guest. Landers already. We just buy in Landers. Today many people in Landers. We bought a salmon, one white take one. Its price 100, about 1,000, 1,500 about. 1,500. This is 2 kilograms. It's good. Fresh salmon. What we bought? We bought also meat, pork, 361 peso. Wine. Before we already bought same wine. Cheese. This cheese also before Shaira said it's good. Shaira like this cheese. I don't know, about 3 or 400 it's about. I buy drinks here. Aloe. And Georgi like also. Georgi like this is coffee. One pack. How much, Georgi?
115.
115 peso. It's good. Georgi always drink if he want to play in billiard and he not sleep already. He said. And we will try to put inside to the motor. I don't know, can or not. Can check first. I remove first my helmet. We can try, I don't know. First salmon. have so many space here, so no problem too. Cap, jacket always. I have jacket, raincoat, 2 raincoat, one for Shire, one for me. What I have? Alcohol also. It's not for drink. Also have tools, flashlight. Even flashlight camera have. I will show now. This is good flashlight. I use always this for long time. Okay, so we will go now to the shortcut. Same before, we already use road to Arayat, Magalang, Angeles, Magalang road. This is road to Arayat also. And we will turn to Mabalakat city. Salt already salted.
No.
Shira. Shira just wake up. She work from morning, from 6 Shira work, yes?
5
From 5 to 2.
o'clock.
From 2 o'clock.
We can put cheese here, okay?
Yes.
This is cheese. So you want aloe? Sunset right now in our place. How meat, Shira? Good. We bought same pork.
Meat.
Hmm?
Meat.
Same, yes. Same wine. Do you want drink? This is cheese, Georgi, expire
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yes. Oh yeah, date. Yes, expire June 12.
Mhm.
We bought Shara because you say it is good for you. You like this cheese. You try already cheese? Good. How about meat? Shaira sleepy, won't sleep. She sleep because how 1 hour maybe only sleep. Okay, eat first.